everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we have started with the metals and non-metals chapter, and also we have discussed with the physical properties of metals and non-metals and how do you differentiate the metals and non-metals based on some of the properties, physical properties. Now we are starting with the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So first one is the reaction with oxygen. In case of metals, when metals react with oxygen, a metal oxide is formed. So one of the examples is given in the below here table. Sodium in the solid state, when reacts with oxygen in the gaseous state, it gives sodium oxide. Okay, that is metal oxide. Same way, aluminium when reacts with oxygen, it gives aluminium oxide. So metals form basic oxides. Zinc and aluminium form amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric means which show both the properties of acidic and basic oxides. Such oxides are called as amphoteric oxides. So most of the metal oxides, these are insoluble in water. Some of them dissolve to form the alkali. For example, the equation is given here. Chemical equation is given here. Same way, when non-metals react with oxygen, non-metal oxide is formed. For example, carbon plus oxygen react to produce, carbon reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. Sulfur plus oxygen, both of them react, that is the non-metal plus oxygen reacts to form non-metal oxide, that is sulfur dioxide. So non-metals form acidic oxides here. Carbon monoxide and water, these are neutral oxides, that is CO and H2O, because they are neither acidic nor basic in nature. Same way, non-metal oxides, these are soluble in water and they dissolve in water to form acids, that is sulfur dioxide when dissolved in water, H2SO3. Hydrogen sulfide is formed here. So this is the first one, reaction with oxygen. Second one is reaction with water. Coming to the metals, metals react with water to form metal oxides or metal hydroxide with the releasing of H2 gas. Okay. Same way, non-metals do not react with water, steam, to evolve hydrogen gas, because non-metals cannot give electrons to hydrogen in water so that it can released as H2 gas. Reaction with dilute acids. So here the metal plus acid, it gives metal salt plus hydrogen. For each of the reactions, you have to keep in mind the one of the chemical equations. Same way, non-metals do not react with acids to form or to release H2 gas. Okay. So this one is the reaction with dilute acids. Various chemical equations are given here. Different chemical equations are given. You can remember any one or two. Say also metals when react with the nitric acid, HNO3, it gives H2 gas, where H2 gas is not displaced because HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. But in case of non-metals, they cannot lose electrons and give it to hydrogen gas, hydrogen ions of acid, so that the gas is released. Fourth one, reaction with salt solutions. When metals react with salt solutions, more reactive metal will be displaced, displace less reactive metal from its salt solution. Copper sulfate in aqueous form, when reacts with zinc, it gives zinc sulfate plus copper. When coming to non-metals, non-metals react with salt solution. More reactive non-metal will displace a less reactive non-metal from its salt solution. Sodium bromide plus chlorine gas. When these react, when the non-metal reacts with the salt solution, the formation takes place here of sodium chloride and bromine aqueous solution. Fifth one is reaction with chlorine. So metals, when they react with chlorine, chloride ionic bond is formed. So here the ionic compound obtained is in the reaction. In the reaction, the ionic compound will be formed. That is 2Na plus Cl2 gives 2NaCl. Same way, non-metal chloride, a covalent bond is formed. In the metals, ionic bond is formed, which results in ionic compound. And in non-metal, covalent bond is formed, resulting in the formation of covalent compound. Last one, reaction with hydrogen. So metals react with hydrogen to form metal hydride. And also this reaction takes place only for most reactive metals. Coming to the non-metals, non-metals react with hydrogen to form hydrides. All these chemical properties you can keep in mind by using this table, which is very helpful. And also you can get the differences between metals and non-metals, the chemical properties, comparison of chemical properties of metals and non-metals. This is all about the chemical properties. In the previous video, we have talked about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. The link to the first video is given in the description box. These will be the videos related to Hstr, PM method, and also the PM method question paper solved for the year 2007, 12 and 15. The link is given in the description box. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the like button.